Okay. So guys, at the end of the video that you just saw, it looked like nothing happened, but something did happen. We bent the drive shaft. We're going to start the search for a drive shaft or a repair. But at this point, green's grounded. Talk to you soon. So some people might say this is not exciting content, but this is actually a reality of doing what we do. We had it on good authority from people in our community that Pat's is the place we gotta try. I tried to climb something I shouldn't.
Oh, well, what can you do?
So I did that.
Oh, okay.
My rear shaft.
Yeah.
It's got a couple of good.
John.
John?
Yeah, Megan.
Okay, Megan, John. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Have a great day.
You bet.
No.
Well, that's good news.
Yeah, it is. Ballpark.
Oh, it's about 375.
That's it?
Yeah.
You guys are a hero.
Right.
So after the guys at Pat's looked at my pictures and basically made it look like it was nothing at all, it finally gave me a sense of hope, like, yes, we're gonna get this fixed.
So I don't know how much of that I caught on film. Do you want to tell the peeps what's happening?
So, I don't need a brand new driveline. Drive shaft. Yeah, what did I say? Oh, that's driveline.
Same thing? Oh.
Yeah, drive shaft, driveline. They can actually cut it and they're gonna retube it. So instead of me paying, well, for example, what did that one place say? $1,900. Even Toyota was $1,300, but they were out of stock until April 30th. I just got to pull my driveline or my rear drive shaft out and bring it here, and in like 3 days, the truck will be back in.
And they don't close till 5. We could potentially.
I don't know if I get it out today because I got to take your car for an oil change.
Oh, that's true. But that is fantastic news.
That's pretty good. I was pretty stoked about that.
So yeah, 3 days.
Because I was worried, because we have contractual obligations to some companies, so
yes.
It was pretty concerning for me because I want to make a good impression on people that are supporting our channel.
Exactly. So if we bring it back tomorrow,
yeah,
that would be after work, probably,
yeah,
obviously.
Yeah.
So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we should hopefully be able to pick it up.
Maybe pick it up. Yeah.
Hopefully. Install it hopefully Saturday.
Yep.
Good to go.
Back to our normal life next week.
Yay!
Thanks.
Awesome.
Oh yeah, I got you. Turn that. Yes, you are. Perfect. Socket set. There we go. That worked way better. To at least break them. No, I need that extension for that.
Oh, I see. Because of the angle.
Yeah.
Was there a big dent in it?
Well, I thought I could crawl over something I probably shouldn't have. Okay, at least that one's loose.
Is this the nut? Yeah, we're on the nut side, right?
Take it.
Yeah. That loose a bit. Drive shaft is officially on me, apparently.
Okay, so it's a 17, but it looks a bit in the middle here.
17? Okay. I just gotta grab one. It doesn't want to let me go.
I don't think these studs come out of here, so. Those guys look easy.
Oh, it is.
That would have come right down on my face.
Boom, boom, got it.
Okay.
It's gone.
Okay, where's all those little...
All those little.
Bolts.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Is I'm just gonna put everything back in finger tight. Just so that it's all there.
Yeah. Oh, actually, do it on this side too. All right.
She's off.
She's off.
Hello.
Hello.
So Brian was nice enough to offer to drop off the drive shaft and come pick it up when it was ready, so we didn't have to try to put it in Joanne's car.
It's ironic.
Hey, good. How are you? Good. Walter.
You guys are together?
Yeah, he actually brought his truck to bring him over.
Okay.
Whoa.
It's nice and pretty.
It is.
That was amazing.
So we were totally impressed with what these guys did. It was absolutely amazing.
2 days ago.
They got us out there and back on the road. So many props.
We go.
Give me a hand, Brian. Come on. Got it? Yeah. Which way? This way? Okay.
Okay, I'm good.
I've got it. I've got it pushed up against you. Might be able to get this one.
Definitely push.
Ready? Nope. Tire's in the way.
Good as new, baby. Take 2 test drive with the new drive shaft.
Yeah. Let's see how it works.
So we met Brian in 2022. Since then, he's become not only one of our best friends, but part of the family. We can always count on him if we ever need a hand. If you don't have a friend like Brian, you're definitely missing out.
Crazy welds they put on those things, eh?
Yeah.
Like, I know they have to be, but I was just like... Still haven't broke that speed yet. That was a long drive home that day.
I bet.
Dude, I felt like a loser too. You know when you look behind you and there's like 100 cars? It seems like 100 cars worth of headlights back there.
So you didn't feel anything until you got to
No, until I got to 60.
60. Smooth like butter, baby.
I'm at 70. Wait to be stopping, no, that's for sure. Yeah, I think we're good. I'm just gonna turn. I should have turned around there. Go behind me. Like, I'm pretty sure I would have felt it already. Just... You know when it's always good, but then you're so skeptical about it?
Yeah.
So it's not just me.
There are so many aspects to this channel, but this channel would not exist without my wife. She puts herself in some crazy positions.
What's that?
Trucks sliding towards her, standing in a river, doing whatever she needs to do to get the shot. This time, underneath a truck.
Shout out to
It
Pat's
was
driver.
very impressive.
Yeah. 80?
Yeah.
Not a single vibration?
Nothing. That was smooth as heck, to be honest. I think it's good. Thanks for all your help, man.
No problem.